Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. How are you doing, guys? I'm always happy to have you here. I'm glad to know that you are there, supporting this channel. I want to say a very big thank you to you all. In today's video, I want to show you my secret ingredients. Everyone that tastes my soup, they leave a comment. So if you care to know, or if you're interested to know what is it that this woman puts or adds to her stew that gives it this unique taste, oh yeah, this video is for you. My chicken, tomato paste. So here are the secret ingredients: my parsley and carrot seasoning cube, curry chicken seasoning, and the thyme. The one in the narrow container is smoked paprika. I have my fresh tomatoes, I have cayenne pepper, my scotch bonnet, ginger and garlic, onion, salt. So let us begin. So to my chicken, I'm adding some bay leaf, 2 pieces, okay, or even 1. Then I'm crushing some seasoning cubes. Here is my nutmeg. I'm sorry I didn't show you some of these ingredients at the beginning, but just pay attention to what I am doing. This is my curry powder. Some chicken seasoning. This is thyme. Little salt, onion, combining everything, then cook without water. So we're going to cook without water for at least the first 5 minutes to 7 minutes. Add more water for the chicken to cook properly. So I move on to prep our pepper mix. So what you just saw, I've blended some pepper already. I then added the carrot and the parsley. So this is the whole thing: tomatoes, pepper. So our chicken is ready now, guys. Look at the thickness of this stock. If you are making stew or party rice and your stock is not this rich, guys, so I'm already boiling the tomatoes. Have you subscribed to my channel? Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment for me. Also share. So I'm done frying. I just turned the oil to the pot, a bigger pot that I'll be using for the stew, guys. The first thing is to add some onions. Allow this onion to fry for up to 2 minutes. Allow it to fry, almost turning brown. That is when the sweetness, something like this. So I just added my tomato paste. My fresh tomato is actually bigger than the tomato paste. So I'll fry this for like 5 minutes. Now I'm adding the pepper mix. When it comes to Nigerian stew, oil is very necessary. You need oil to fry. It's not supposed to be boiled. It's not boiled stew. It's supposed to be well fried. So looking at this, there still need to add some oil. So I'm going to add some oil. So we need oil to fry, for the stew to fry very well. That's when you get the real taste of stew. If the oil is too much, then after cooking you can skim the oil off. And another secret is also to be patient with your stew. Let it cook on a kind of medium heat, not too high. Our tomato is getting fried. I just added our seasonings. Guys, I'm sorry, missed some parts. I'm so sorry. I added the spices, I combine everything and allow it to fry together with the stew for about 3 minutes. Then I added the stock. So at this point, you just add the fried chicken and turn off the heat.